How to turn on Do Not Disturb on Android tablet. Hey everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're getting constant notifications, messages, or app alerts while using your Android tablet and just want some peace and focus, here's how you can enable the Do Not Disturb mode. First of all, launch open the Settings application from your home screen, and inside the Settings app, go ahead and tap on the sound option from the left. Now, go ahead and tap on Do Not Disturb option and toggle on the switch right next to Do Not Disturb. Once the DND or Do Not Disturb is on, you'll see a little moon icon at the top right corner in front of the Wi-Fi icon. Once enabled, the notifications will stop, calls may be silenced depending on the settings, and your tablet will stay quiet and distraction-free. To customize Do Not Disturb further, you can go ahead and schedule turn on time. Select whether you want the notifications to be blocked completely or only when the device is locked by turning on this option or turning it off at the bottom. And there you have it. That is how you can easily turn on Do Not Disturb. You can also schedule the Do Not Disturb to turn it on a specific time by choosing this last option. Add some rules in it. Set a name, the start time and the end time, and how frequent you want it to repeat. So right there you have learned how you can enable the Do Not Disturb mode on your Android tablets. You can use the Do Not Disturb mode when studying, sleeping, watching movies, or gaming. It helps you stay focused and stress-free. You can always turn off the Do Not Disturb mode by coming to this page and toggling off this switch. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.